A lot of citizens are unaware of the fact that there exists a law that empowers the federal government and the state governors to declare certain days as public holidays. This law is called the Public Holidays Act. Yes, the Public Holidays Act, with 7 sections and a schedule, provides guidelines in respect of declaration of public holidays in the country. Section 1 specifically provides that certain days provided in the schedule shall be observed as public holidays. These days include New Year celebration, Good Friday, Easter Monday, Christmas, such days declared as Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Kabir, and Eid al-Mawlud. So these days are to be observed as public holidays. And the Act is not explicit as what a public holiday is. It only described it as a work-free day. And as a work-free day, once a day is declared as a public holiday, a citizen is not expected to do anything that he is not expected to do on a Sunday. Anything you cannot do on a Sunday, you cannot do on a public holiday. By implication, you cannot go to work on a public holiday, except in certain situations, which we'll explain later. Now, Section 2 of the Act empowers the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria through public notice and state governors as well to declare certain days as public holidays. And if such days are declared, they are to be observed as what? Work-free day. And these days, if so declared as explained, citizens are expected to stay at home. Now, the federal government also have the right to alter certain days which it considers inexpedient to observe a public holiday. Yes, this recently happened in 2018, I guess, 6th June, in which the federal government through the Ministry of Interior changed the day for the celebration of Democracy Day from May 29th to June 12th in order to give respect and to commemorate the victory of MKO Abiola. And since then, June 12th has been the day we have been celebrating our Democracy Day in Nigeria. Now, you might ask, who usually declares these public holidays? It's the federal government, but through the Minister of Interior. The current Minister of, through the Minister of Interior, they are in charge of declaring such days as public holidays. And the Act, one good thing about the Act is it made clarifications in respect of some ambiguities. When it comes to having a public holiday falling on a Friday and also on a Monday and on Saturdays and Sundays. So in this situation, where a public holiday falls on a Sunday or on a Friday and Saturday, only that Friday will be observed as public holiday because it's a work day. So you cannot say, okay, since Friday is observed as a public holiday, the second day should be Monday. No, the law specifically provides that that Friday alone should be observed as public holiday and no any other day should be substituted for the next Saturday, for this subsequent Saturday that is coming. Also, if a public holiday falls on a Sunday and a Monday, only the Monday will be observed as a public holiday. So specifically, the act is to some extent elaborate as regards the provisions of public holidays. Now, just like I told you, to every general rule in law, there are exceptions. We earlier mentioned that once a day or days are declared as public holidays, citizens are not expected to go to work. They are to observe such day as a work-free day. However, one of the sections of the Act provides that if it is expedient in public interest, a ministry or department in which citizens work in can invite or call them to come to work on a Saturday, a Sunday, or a public holiday, as it is considered expedient in the interest of the public. So these are the major constituents of the Public Holidays Act.